Listen to this.
Okay.
Got them Air Force Ones with them Air Force Ones. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. You see them? I got them with the J's on the bottom.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Kings23Kicks back in the building, back again to do another video for y'all, man. Hey, I know it's been a while since I've done one of these videos. True, actually it's been quite a while. But welcome back to another edition of Sneaker Cleaning Sunday. So I'm here in the castle and I gotta get my shoes clean, man. And it's always important to make sure that you guys keep your shoes clean. Now today what I'm using is Reshoevn8r products. Now this is my go-to, but do keep in mind that they're not sponsoring me in any kind of way. As a matter of fact, if you guys are watching, hey, Reshoevn8r, just saying, check out my other videos. But I do like to do shoe cleaning videos every now and then, you know what I'm saying, just to break up the monotony, because I know we watch other videos, you know, sneaker drops, vlogs and stuff like that, but since we're not able to do you know, outlet vlogs and sneaker pickups because of, you know, the social distancing that we have to do right now, you know what I'm saying, so I figured it'd be a good time for me to pick back up on my sneaker cleaning Sunday. So first things first, I hope everybody is doing great. Hope everybody is practicing social distancing, making sure that you guys stay safe, stay away from people, and it's not, you know, in a negative type of way, but hey man, we got to be safe and we want to make sure that we don't spread this stuff worse than it already has been spreaded. Anyway, so make sure that you guys, if you're just tuning into the channel and you just happen to come across my videos, make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button. Make sure that you hit that notification bell so you be notified of future videos that I do, and I do all types of videos. But back to the cleaning products. So not only do I use Reshoevn8r, I actually like to try different things just to see what works. I have used MGK before, and you can check out that video. I have used what is the other stuff that I've used? Reshoevn8r, MGK. Oh, I've used Crep before. And the next thing that I want to do, I'm actually ordering, is I want to try Goat. So Goat Shoe Care Official. I want to try those products out and see how those come out and see how those keep your kicks clean. So it's not that I'm limited on, you know, what I use, but Reshoevn8r is my go-to, if I'm going to be honest with you guys, because I haven't found anything that's going to be better than them. Not to knock any of the other stuff that I've used, because what I've used so far has been good. And if you know anything else that is good, you know what I'm saying, as far as cleaning products and cleaning your shoes, y'all comment down below. Let me know what stuff you guys use to clean your shoes and how well does it work. And the reason why I do this, because I do try to show how well this stuff works, or if it doesn't work, you know what I'm saying. So I leave the choice up to you guys. So the next thing I'm going to do is going to grab me some water and give me some and then I'm going to be using the sneaker cleaning solution. And honestly, this one is one of the ones that I'm actually going to have to do a deep wash, which is why I have the sneaker laundry detergent out. Because if you look at these, man, look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is a black stain all around my shoe. See that? Black stain all around my shoe, man. I got to get that out of there. And these are some of my comfortable shoes, and you know, I got these shoes because of the colors. I like how the colors fade, and these colors are exactly the colors of my bike club, which is just so happens to be, you know what I'm saying, royal blue and green, which is Kelly green. So I do wear these a lot. These are kind of beat, but these are very, very comfortable. So I'm not quite sure what this black stuff is. Could be oil from my motorcycle. I haven't the slightest idea, but we're gonna see if we can get them out, you know what I'm saying. So bear with me a moment. We're gonna get some water going, And I do like to play music in the background, you know what I'm saying, so y'all can jam out with me for a little bit. And then we're gonna speed up a little things, speed up some stuff, and then we're gonna get it going and see if we can get it clean. And I will let you guys know what I'm doing along the way. Okay? So the first thing you want to do when you're cleaning your kicks, make sure that you take the laces out. Especially when you're doing a deep clean. You know what I'm saying? You want to make sure your laces are out. Now, these are not the original laces that came with the shoes. The original laces that came with these Puma Romas, which is what I'm rocking here. The original laces that came with these shoes are royal blue. And they were much, much thinner. So to make the shoe pop, I didn't want the royal blue laces in. I decided to grab me some Kelly green laces, hence why these are in there, and I put them out for the shoe. And to me, to be honest with you, it makes it pop more because depending on what you're wearing, you know what I'm saying, it kind of covers up, you know, like that, and I wanted more green to pop out than anything. Now, the material that these Romas are made of is kind of like a fly knit. You know what I'm saying? So you see these shoes are real soft and comfortable. So things of what I'm going to do is going to grab the shoe tree. Now you can use any type of shoe tree that you like. Reshoevn8r, the kit that I have is like the ultimate kit, so I have the big kit, and I like to get the big stuff just to get more bang for my buck, you know what I'm saying? So they have other little kits that you can use, and the shoe tree that I'm using, I always use the last hole because I do wear a size 12, and it gives you some sturdiness so you can scrub your shoes and do what you need to do. Now, another thing that I like about the Reshoevn8r Ultimate Kit is because it comes with 3 different brushes. So you have the soft bristle brush, you have a medium bristle brush, and then you have a stiff bristle brush. I'm guessing I might end up having to use the stiff one, but I really don't want to use that. But I'm going to use the stiff one along the midsole. So I'm trying to go knock that out, get that clean. I'm not going to use the stiff one across the prime knit because I don't want to fray it and tear it up. You know what I'm saying? So I will be using a medium bristle brush across this prime knit to scrub this black stuff that's on here, and hopefully, fingers crossed, this comes out. I always start off with the soft bristle brush because the soft bristle brush is where you're going to get the most suds. For cleaning purposes, for video purposes I should say, I'm going to leave this shoe out. As you can see, I even got a stain on the back of that shoe right there, on that heel. I'm going to leave this shoe dirty for now, and then I'm going to show you guys how we're going to clean this one. Alright, so we're going to set that to the side, and we're going to get started. next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to use the medium bristle brush, and I'm going to hit the prominent area. Hopefully we can get these stains here. I'm definitely going to be concentrating a lot more on the toe box area, which is where the stains was at. So now that we got that out the way, we did soap it up real good. Gonna wipe the shoe down just to see did most of that stain come out. And man, we actually might not have to put these in the wash, which is I'm actually happy about. So doing a before and after, that black stain is gone, man. It is literally gone. Check that out. So I guess that black stain was basically mostly dirt, and I'm kind of glad. I'm super glad that it wasn't oil. So because I don't know if oil would have been able to come out of my shoe, and these would have been ruined. I would have just had to trash these and probably try to go find some more, which is going to be hard to do because I don't think there are going to be any more. I don't even know if they make these anymore. These are a couple of years old. I think these are like 3. So these are a couple of years old. There's no date on them, but I think I remember getting these like 3 years ago. But the oil stain came out. So looking at it, I don't have to put these off in the deep wash. I am going to just sit up here and just clean the other one, but just for video purposes, as you can see. And there's another good thing that, see, I was pressing in on that and I need to pop that out. But as you can see, cleaning purposes, side by side comparison, it's definitely gotten it cleaner. Looks a lot better. So definitely going to knock this one out, and for the sake of argument, heck, I still might even put them in the wash, but they definitely came out, which is what I really wanted to do. There are a couple of spots that I definitely need to hit again, like right in here. It's a little more stain, but overall, man, they came out good. But I will say, when you guys do put them in the wash, make sure that when you do put them in the wash, you put them in the cold cycle, and that's a normal cycle. You leave the shoe trees off in there so they can keep their shape, because if you don't, as you can see here, you can kind of see from this angle, the way the light is, how it kind of puckles and get dents off in it. So make sure that you leave the shoe trees in there while they're washing and when they dry, so they can get their shape back. Alright, so y'all comment down below, let me know what you guys think about that. You know what I'm saying? I did get my Puma Romas clean. I do love Pumas, because Pumas, Romas, or just Pumas in general, are one of the most comfortable shoes compared to Yeezys. The 350 V2s, definitely love those. That's one of the most comfortable shoes, and I think that's why I like them so much. But y'all comment down below, let me know what shoes are more comfortable for you guys. Let me know what cleaning products you guys use, and how do they work out for you. You know what I'm saying? So here we are. Matter of fact, I think that's gonna be my thumbnail. Alright, but here we are with my Puma Romas. It was a nice little color blocking combo. I love these because they just worked out so perfectly for my bike club when we have to wear our green and our blue. These are the things, these are my go-tos. As you can see, they were pretty beat up, they were pretty dirty, and I hadn't worn them in a while just because of that fact. But now they're back. So y'all comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Really, somebody driving by with a motorcycle, and I'm up here talking about my bike club. I don't know if you guys heard that, but y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you guys like, share, comment, hit that thumbs up. We're on the road to 1K. You know what I'm saying? So we're on that road. We're growing the kingdom, and I appreciate everyone that's been rocking with your boy. You know what I'm saying? Being a part of the kingdom. So until next time, till the next sneaker cleaning Sunday. You know what I'm saying? As a matter of fact, y'all let me know what y'all think about sneaker cleaning Sunday, man. Do y'all like these videos? Should I keep doing them, or should I just X them all together? You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to do something a little different from what everyone always sees, and I just do my own thing. So to all my kings, stand up, rule your kingdom, and all my queens, make sure you stand beside your king. And always, always, always remember, it's always the right time to do the right thing. Peace. What up, everybody? To the kingdom. I have a lot of Puma Romas. I just have a lot of Pumas, period. Pumas are comfortable, man. For me, these are one of the most comfortable shoes next to like Yeezy V3. These are some of the most comfortable shoes next to Yeezy V2 350s. 350 V2s. Look, man, I can't even talk today.
Coming from the bottom, moving straight to the top. Coming with the put up for the #1 spot. Pushing my rap like a pusher on the block. Holding my ground, sucker rappers get lost.